Lenovo Yoga 7, the ultimate 2-in-1 laptop experience. Yo, what's up everybody? It's Mark, and we're back again with another review. This time, we're diving deep into the world of 2-in-1 laptops with the Lenovo Yoga 7, a device that promises both power and flexibility. We're talking model number 83, DK000 DUS SQ 6571486. You can find the Best Buy link down below in the description. Currently, it's going for $749.99. Over the course of this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the specs, the design, and of course the performance of this versatile machine. We'll see if it lives up to the hype and if it's the right choice for you. From the sleek design to the powerful internals, we're gonna break it all down, covering the pros, the cons, and everything in between. So, if you're in the market for a new 2-in-1 laptop, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Alright, let's get right into it and talk about what makes this machine tick. The Lenovo Yoga 7 packs some serious power under the hood. We're rocking the AMD Ryzen 5 8640HS processor, which, let me tell you, is a beast when it comes to handling demanding tasks. Whether you're editing photos, videos, or just have a million tabs open, trust me, I've been there. This processor can handle it all without breaking a sweat. But it's not just about raw power, it's also about efficiency. The Ryzen 5 8640HS is built on a 7nm process, which means it sips power, giving you longer battery life. And speaking of battery life, we'll get into the nitty-gritty of that a bit later. Now let's talk storage. The Lenovo Yoga 7 comes equipped with a spacious 512GB SSD. That's right, 512GB of lightning-fast storage for all your files, apps, games, and whatever else you can throw at it. No more worrying about running out of space or waiting an eternity for your computer to boot up. And to top it all off, we've got 8GB of RAM. Now 8GB of RAM might not sound like a lot in today's world, but trust me, it's more than enough for most everyday tasks. From multitasking between apps to browsing the web with countless tabs open, this Yoga 7 can handle it all smoothly and efficiently. Of course, if you're a power user who's constantly pushing the limits, you might want to consider opting for the 16GB RAM configuration. But for the average user, 8GB is going to be more than enough. So, to sum it up, the Lenovo Yoga 7 is no slouch when it comes to performance. It's got the power, the speed, and the efficiency to keep up with your demanding workflow. And with that kind of performance packed into such a sleek and portable design, this laptop is a serious contender in the 2-in-1 market. But hey, we're just getting started. We still have a lot to cover, including that gorgeous 2K touchscreen display, the overall design and build quality, and of course we have to talk about battery life. So make sure you stick around because we're about to dive deep into all of that and more. One of the things that immediately grabbed my attention with the Lenovo Yoga 7 is this stunning 14-inch 2K touchscreen display. And let me tell you, it does not disappoint. This thing is sharp, vibrant, and an absolute joy to look at. We're talking about a resolution of 2240 x 1400 pixels packed into a 14-inch screen. That's a pixel density that rivals some of the best laptops out there. What does that mean for you? Well, it means everything on the screen looks incredibly crisp and detailed. From text to images to videos, everything just pops. But it's not just about the resolution. The color accuracy on this display is also top-notch. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or just browsing the web, you can be sure that the colors you're seeing are accurate and true to life. And let's not forget about the touchscreen. It's responsive, accurate, and makes navigating the Windows 11 operating system a breeze. And speaking of Windows 11, the Yoga 7 comes preloaded with the latest version, so you can take advantage of all the new features and improvements. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mark, a touchscreen on a laptop? Is that really necessary? And you know what? You're not wrong to ask that question. But trust me, once you start using a laptop with a touchscreen, you'll wonder how you ever lived without one. It just adds another layer of interaction and makes using your laptop that much more intuitive. Plus, it's great for creative tasks like drawing, note-taking, and even light photo editing. And let's be real, it's just fun to poke and swipe at the screen sometimes. Overall, the 2K touchscreen display on the Lenovo Yoga 7 is a real highlight. It's sharp, vibrant, and responsive, making it a joy to use for both work and play. Chapter 3. Now let's talk about what makes the Lenovo Yoga 7 such a compelling option in the world of 2-in-1 laptops. And honestly, there's a lot to like here. First and foremost, the versatility of this machine is unmatched. With its 360-degree hinge, you can seamlessly switch between laptop and tablet modes, making it perfect for a variety of use cases. Whether you're working on a presentation, browsing the web, or watching your favorite shows, the Yoga 7 can adapt to your needs. And let's not forget about the performance. As we talked about earlier, the AMD Ryzen 58640HS processor is a beast, delivering snappy performance for everyday tasks, and even handling more demanding workloads with ease. Plus, the 512GB SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times and app loading, so you're never left waiting. But it's not just about the internals. Lenovo has also done a fantastic job with the design and build quality of the Yoga 7. The laptop is crafted from premium materials and feels incredibly solid in hand. The Arctic Gray finish adds a touch of sophistication and looks sleek and modern. The keyboard is also a joy to type on. It offers well-spaced keys with decent travel, making it comfortable for long typing sessions. And the trackpad is large, responsive, and supports all the Windows 11 gestures. Another pro for the Yoga 7 is its port selection. You get two USB-C ports, one of which supports Thunderbolt 4 for lightning-fast data transfer and charging. You've also got a USB-A port, an HDMI port, and a headphone jack, so you've got all your connectivity bases covered. And to top it all off, the Yoga 7 comes with a Lenovo Active Pen, which is perfect for taking notes, sketching, or just navigating the touchscreen with more precision. Chapter 4. Now, no laptop is perfect, and the Lenovo Yoga 7 does have a few minor drawbacks that are worth mentioning. Keep in mind, these are just observations, and they might not be deal breakers for everyone. First up, the battery life. While the Yoga 7 isn't bad in this department, it's not exactly stellar either. With moderate usage, you can expect to get around 6 to 7 hours of battery life. However, if you're constantly pushing the laptop with demanding tasks or high screen brightness, that number will definitely take a hit. Another thing to consider is the weight. At around 3.2 pounds, the Yoga 7 isn't exactly the lightest ultrabook on the market. It's definitely portable and easy enough to carry around. But if you're looking for something ultra lightweight, there might be better options out there. And finally, the price. At $749.99, the Yoga 7 isn't exactly budget-friendly. However, considering the premium build quality, the powerful performance, and the versatile 2-in-1 design, it's still a competitive price point compared to other laptops in its class. So those are a few minor drawbacks of the Lenovo Yoga 7. But overall, these are just nitpicks, and they don't take away from the fact that this is still a fantastic 2-in-1 laptop. Chapter 5. So, there you have it guys, that's the Lenovo Yoga 7, a 2-in-1 laptop that truly impressed me. From its stunning 2K touchscreen display to its powerful performance and versatile design, it checks a lot of boxes. The AMD Ryzen 58640HS processor delivers exceptional performance for both everyday tasks and more demanding workloads. The 512GB SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times and app loading, and the 8GB of RAM is more than enough for smooth multitasking. The 360-degree hinge allows you to seamlessly switch between laptop and tablet modes, making it incredibly versatile for a variety of use cases. And the sleek, modern design with the Arctic Gray finish is sure to turn heads. Of course, no laptop is perfect, and the Yoga 7 does have a few minor drawbacks, like the average battery life and the slightly heavier weight compared to some competitors. But overall, these are just nitpicks, and they don't take away from the fact that this is still a fantastic 2-in-1 laptop. If you're in the market for a new laptop, and you value versatility, performance, and a stunning display, then the Lenovo Yoga 7, model number 83DK000 Dusku 6571486, is definitely worth considering. At $749.99, it's a solid investment that will serve you well for years to come. But hey, that's just my opinion. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Lenovo Yoga 7 in the comments below. Outro. As always, thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about the Lenovo Yoga 7 or want to pick one up for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below. And hey, while you're down there, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, comparisons, and all-around awesome tech content. Until next time, this is Kunal signing off. Peace!